Hello and welcome to another video. Today we are going to take a look at a Hot Wheels 10-pack, which is something you normally don't see here on my channel because I think these multi-packs sometimes are a little bit overpriced. In this case you get an exclusive car, but you also get a lot of models normally that you don't really like. So I mean, it's your decision. In my area these 10 packs do cost around 15 euros. Now you might ask yourself, why did you buy it then? Well, I got it for free in the store. There was a promotion going on, and if you bought Hot Wheels stuff for more than 50 euros, which I did, I bought a lot of premium stuff, you got this for free, and here we are. So yeah, let's check them out. Already opened it up, and yeah, let's take a look at those cars, and let's start with this one right here, which is a new version of the Bone Shaker. I think it's a nice Hot Wheels casting. It's just not my cup of tea. I'm not into these hot rod style cars, but all in all I think it looks kind of cool with these chrome exhaust, chrome engine details, and the chrome interior, and the black looks kind of good. So yeah, that is the Bone Shaker. I mean, there are always variations in the cars of these 10 packs. I bought the best set that I could find, in my opinion. So we also do get a Lamborghini. I mean, yeah, it's a Lamborghini, but also not one of my favorites. It looks a little bit strange because of the missing window. This is the Aventador J. It's got a nice livery on it. It's like a light pearl blue, I would call it. A little bit, also a little bit, I wouldn't call it a color changer, but yeah, has a nice effect to it. And yeah, you know, I'm not a huge fan when what Hot Wheels often does. These mismatched wheels, when you get these huge wheels in the back, I don't really like it. But anyways, yeah, it's a Lamborghini. So yeah, what else do we got? Let's go on with this one here. This is a Custom Camaro, I think. Oops, rolling off the rotator. I do like the livery on this one. Looks kind of cool in my opinion. We got a metallic blue livery, also mismatched wheels, usual ones in the back. I mean, on this guy, I think it's kind of okay. But once again, also not one of my favorites. But yeah, it can get worse. So we got this one here. I think this is the Street Creeper. Yes, it is. Here we are, and this thing is really horrible in my opinion. Man, I even can't look at it. We got these spider legs all over it, and these, I don't know what that is, like Batman stuff or something. Ugh. The color, I think this is, oops, this is just, this thing is just ugly. But there might be some people that do like this thing, and I'm always telling you that I'm getting more and more into fantasy cars, but this is stuff that I just don't like. So let's go on with another one. This is the Sling Shot, I think. So an older casting from 2001. Well, yeah, this is also a style that is not my cup of tea. I think this is kind of funny because the front, in my opinion, does look a little bit like a Bugatti. The rest, yeah, I would say typical Hot Wheels stuff, more like from the 90s and 2000s. Nothing too exciting. So we put this to the side, and yeah, let's go on with this guy here, which is the New Beetle. Yeah. You can guess that I'm not a huge Beetle fan, so this 10 pack is definitely not too exciting for me, but you know, it was for free. So, I mean, it's got a nice metallic livery on it, and it's got a really nice front and back details. So we get really nice taillights and license plate, and also the logo is done up very well. But and we got a black roof, and if you take a close look, I hope you can see it. I guess it's from the packaging. We got a little got some rub marks, which is something I guess you have to consider when buying these multi-packs. I saw another guy here on YouTube that showed his stuff and had the same issue. I don't know if you can get rid of it. So yeah, let's put the Beetle to the side. The interesting thing is, if you take a look at the base, it doesn't say Beetle. Anyways, let's put this to the side, and let's go on with this one here. I'm, to be honest, not familiar with the Maximum Leeway. I think this one is, I like the color, I like the deco on it. I don't like the fact that the body is plastic, and for sure it's got a metal base. I think it's kind of cool how they done these chrome details that you can see right here, and we got chrome details on the back also. That is cool. Livery is cool, but yeah, I would have wished they yeah, would have done it the other way around with a metal body. But you know, cars with a metal base are most of the time very good on track, so guess that this guy is very fast. So here we do have the, I think this is El Camino. Yeah, 1980 Chevy El Camino. I also think this deco is pretty new. This is kind of cool. Also, we also get a mismatched wheel, something I don't like, but we got a very nice metallic livery and got these deco stripes here on the hood. They do look good. I think if this one had a chrome base and a chrome front, it would have looked a little better, but anyways, this is a nice casting. And yeah, one of the highlights of this 10-pack. So let's put this to the side. And then we have one that I really do like. This is the 911 GT2, which is also a multi-pack exclusive. And this one does look very good in my opinion. You know, like many Hot Wheels and Matchbox collectors, I really do like Porsche. And this one looks very good in black, with this silver stripe across the hood and the roof. Yeah, this one's pretty nice, and a reason why I did choose this 10-pack, because it included this guy here, and yeah, I think it looks really, really good. So definitely one highlight. And then we got the exclusive. This is the Nissan 300 ZX TT, okay. So, I guess this is the car that shares its headlights with the Lamborghini Diablo, which is always a funny story if you are not too familiar with automobile stuff. Well, yeah, I'm not too much into this car, to be honest. I think it's got a lot of paint on it if you take a look at the front. So the details do get lost a little bit. And what is that? A little paint chip also here on the hood. So this is the exclusive. Yeah, I think it does look okay. So let's put the rotator to the side and group our cars together for a final picture. So let's focus. And as always, I'm trying to pick a favorite. And yeah, in this case, I think it's kind of easy for me. It's definitely the Porsche, even if it's not the, let's say, call it real exclusive in this pack, but this one does look really nice. So that's it for today's video. If you did like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, what I can definitely recommend. And I say thank you for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.